Hey, I get it. You're confused about how to manage your kidney diet. We were too, and it took me about 5 years, but I figured it out. And we didn't have to give up our favorite foods or food groups. And my husband's numbers have remained stable for 9 years. Look, there is simply no reason for you to waste time searching for answers and trying desperately to sort through all of the confusion and conflicting information, or to avoid foods that you love. Give me 6 to 8 weeks, and I'm going to walk you through how to do this right. There's no gimmicks, there's no BS. It's just straightforward answers and clarity. On day one, I'm going to show you how to break things down so that you can immediately start eating safely and continue to do so as you learn how this new way of eating truly works. We will personalize this to your needs. We will include your other health issues, and we can even include your family's needs so that you only have to make one meal. Now, if you have chosen the vegan or vegetarian route, or perhaps you're doing low carb or gluten-free or dairy-free, we can show you how that works too. This doesn't have to be confusing, and it doesn't have to be frustrating. And I can show you how to break this down and unravel the mess. Now, please do not believe the enormous amount of BS that is out there. And never believe that you have to avoid foods. That's just the industry telling you to do so because they don't know this process that I figured out. And please do not fall into the common traps that most people inevitably do. For example, what we know, what we've been taught as healthy eating, lots of fruits, lots of vegetables, lots of water. It doesn't work for kidney disease. You must learn what healthy CKD eating is. What you're doing now, it's likely causing a slow progression to happen. And you're going to see that with each appointment. And you're going to be asking yourself, what am I doing wrong? I've been trying so hard. If you don't already know me, my name is Linda Blaylock, and I am a chef, I'm a nutritionist, I'm a kidney health coach, and I'm the one who's kept my husband's kidneys stable for all these years while he enjoys his favorite foods. I want to help you too. So head to my site and read that information there. And if it sounds like what you need, then choose the option that's right for you. You can join the online program, or you can purchase the program in book form from either Amazon or Barnes & Noble. And if you're somebody who learns well via live instruction, make sure you join the members only group so that you have access to the online classes every Tuesday and Thursday. And you have access to the links so you can watch those classes and learn at a time that works best for you. If you want to easily manage your kidney diet for life, give me that 6 to 8 weeks now. We'll lay that foundation so that the rest of your life is spent doing what you love instead of being consumed by how and what to eat. Head on over to howtoeatforckd.com now and finally put this burden to rest. Let's help you to slow or stop that progression, just like we did.